Hi guys, this is Katie and today we are having a festive afternoon tea. So it is almost Christmas. I love a good afternoon tea and today we're doing something a little bit different. We have ordered a festive afternoon tea box to come from Waldorf Astoria hotel. They have a hotel here and they had this box that looked like a great little package and we were like, do you know what? We decided to have a little box to share and just have a relaxing day watching Christmas movies and getting ready for the holidays. But first of all, I need to tidy up our dining table. I have just started Lego, never did this before, but if you watched our video the other day, I actually have finished this one and I'm halfway through my second one, but I'm going to tidy it all away so that I can actually use the dining room table for its sole purpose. Right, the afternoon set has arrived. Very excited. It looks beautiful. So let me just show you a few of the things. So you can get this afternoon tea set and it's one big box, but it's actually only for like one person. But we were like, there's way too much food there for one person. So we've bought one to share and then we've also bought extra scones. So these are our extra scones and they look amazing and they smell so good too. So just for point of reference, the takeaway set, this is before tax, I'm guessing. The takeaway set was 2,100 and then obviously it's then taxed. So that's why this is it before the tax. The scones were 350 and then you order a tea. So we went for the Marco Polo tea, which comes with the set. And I actually have some Christmassy teas that I was given from a student last year and haven't actually had. So I'm gonna have some of those Christmassy teas and we also have some coffee. So it's gonna be a whole day thing. So this is part of the reason why we decided to have it inside, is that we have been out before to afternoon teas in the hotels here. And don't get me wrong, it is lovely. But this time of the year at Christmas, it's really busy. And we were just like, you know what, we want to chill out. I've had a really long term at school and I'm knackered, if I'm honest, guys. I'm so tired. So we're gonna have a nice afternoon tea in and watch lots of Christmas movies and just relax for the day and take our time and just chill. Oh, they even have a little menu in here. What? I'm getting used to these nails, guys. So we've got quite a few savoury items that I'm sure Callum will love. This salmon one, he loves salmon. Caviar, nice. Some truffle brioche. I love truffle. Truffle on everything is amazing. Lots of sweet pastries, which I'll be honest, is probably more for me. And then there's a Christmas stolen. What's that? Oh, I'm guessing this is it here. Oh, look at this. This is beautiful. Wow, and there's a little gingerbread. Oh my goodness, guys. I'm so excited. Right, I'm gonna get all of this out, put on a Christmas movie, make some tea, chill out with Callum, and I will show you each of the little things as we eat them. So this is our afternoon tea set and you can see that the cakes and the pastries are beautiful and Christmas themed. So the first item is this crayfish vol au vent. This was lovely. I've actually never had a vol au vent before, but it was full of spinach and cream and it was so tasty. Then there was a salmon item and it had some truffle and salmon sponge underneath, which tasted interesting. Callum really enjoyed this one. Then we had this dried egg yolk with shallots and caviar. I loved this. Didn't expect to, but I really liked it. Then you have this mascarpone tart, and this is actually a beetroot croissant. I just thought this looked stunning, and the detail on the top was amazing. Then you have this truffle brioche, and this was like a truffle brioche with truffle cream, fresh truffles and smoked turkey. So it was very strong with the truffle flavours, but it was really tasty. Then this second row is all of the sweet pastries. So you had an orange Santa hat. This was like an orange cake, like an orange flavour cake. Then there was like Christmas present, and these were all really stunningly created, and they all tasted amazing as well. Then next it was a caramel cinnamon mousse with apple honey caramel on top of it. This was amazing. This is probably one of my favourite ones, that is caramel on top, which tasted so good. And then this was a pistachio, figs and strawberry wreath. Really enjoyed this. All of the little extras on top were edible chocolates, which was so like just amazing, and I loved the detailing of this bell. And then finally we had this gingerbread, which was on top of a like cherry chocolate log cake. Again, really tasty. Really enjoyed that. So then we move on to the Christmas stolen. So this was like, it kind of tasted like a Christmas cake, but there was more like nuts and fruit in there, and we actually then heated them up. So we had extra scones. You can buy a packet of 4 scones from this place, so we had 6 in total. And then there's this stolen bread. I actually heated both of these up in the oven. They gave the instructions on the afternoon tea menu, and then the stolen came with this like sugar that you can just kind of, it's like icing sugar, it tasted like icing sugar that you place over the top. But that was our festive afternoon tea in. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I shall see you tomorrow for another day of Vlogmas.